Hello everyone, welcome to the last episode of Putting Dr. G on the Spot in September. In the whole month of September, we're focusing on various methods in order to enhance erection. And this week, we're going to assess the impact of acupuncture for enhancing the erectile function. So exactly what is acupuncture? Acupuncture is needling the specific pressure point that has been utilizing for generation and generation in the East, and then to see whether it itself can enhance the qi or erectile function. And there are many theories behind the actual modality of acupuncture, and then that can range from setting up these micro-trauma with the needles and inducing the actual flow of blood vessels induced by micro-neovascularization. Does it self-work? Actually, that has to be put through the scrutiny of science. There are many small studies which is not randomized had been published, and of course those are not very useful. But the ones that are very useful are the prospective, double-blind, randomized, controlled trial. What does that mean? It means that initially the drug itself is all blinded. Or the intervention is blinded between the ones who sees and don't. And then we will actually have one arm which is a sham acupuncture, the other one is a real acupuncture. Then we will assess whether it works or not at the end of it, and hopefully has a long follow-up to see whether it actually is a sustained impact. When we scroll through all the scientific trials, there's 183 patients had been ever subjected to these trials. There are 3 trials altogether. One trial actually showed that it works, so 1/3 of it actually works. The other 2 trials say that it didn't work. But one of the 2 trials actually say that, well, it works a little bit, but only in comparison with psychotherapy. So psychotherapy alone is not really that useful, but psychotherapy plus acupuncture is more useful. So the conclusion of that is that with the scrutiny of science, acupuncture is not a definitive treatment for erectile dysfunction. The plus point from all these analysis of the 3 trials show that actually, even though it is not so effective, but the side effects of that actually is not so significant. So for the first week of October, we're venturing into the Pink October month. So for men, we also have Pink October things to look forward to. I think we're going to talk about the serious issue of a minority of men might be affected by breast cancer. Stay tuned for next week's Putting Dr. G on the Spot.